DEHANCER Pro is a plugin that gives your film a cinematic look. But is it suitable for nature videos? Let's find out. DEHANCER is a plugin that you install in your editing software. It can be used to emulate the process and look of analog film. I received DEHANCER for free to test it in my films. It's quite expensive purchase, but I have to admit it's pretty fascinating. DEHANCER can be used in several different ways. You can process your footage with a precision, or you can just have fun and play with the plugin to emulate, for example, the look of Super 8mm amateur camera. You can also use it for color grading or simply adding film grain to your film. Let's first watch a film where I've used DEHANCER on a footage of different seasons. I will then share my thoughts about it. Do you remember how we enjoyed the warmth of the days? Remember how we walked in the wind? Morning coolness, warming rays. The warmth of the day, tender beneath our toes. Do you remember how sweet it is? The quiet sounds of fading summer. In hushed tones, the season softly slows. Could you still dance for me? Could you predict the dance of the summer's sway? How it surprises you with its twists and turns. Days when the summer yearned for one more day. What did you think then? When the flocks disappeared into the distance, you were suddenly gone. Did you know how dark it would get? Remember how moisture creeps onto your skin. How the landscape could be white after a night. Still wandering in the wind's gentle flight. I knew I could take it. I'd still be walking in the wind, as the lark's sweet song prevails. That's the place where I want to be. In the embrace of green, the whip of spring rain, and the return of the golden days. So what are my thoughts about DEHANCER? I think I will take the plugin in a daily use. I might just use the film grain to soften the sharp image of the digital camera. DEHANCER is best suited for nature videos where people are present, at least from time to time. It certainly suits well to travel stories. If you want fast results, DEHANCER is not for you. It takes time to use the plugin. The film looks look great, but if you choose also the film print, the image becomes very contrasty. You'll have to go back and fine-tune and tweak the initial settings to get the right result. Nature films tend to have a lot of green in them, and finding the right kind of green can be a challenge. By adjusting the push and pull setting, you can often find a good shade of forest green. But light fresh greens tend to turn towards magenta. Halation also turns green to magenta. Halation, bloom, film grain, film damage, film breath, and gate weave finish the retro feel. But be careful with the halation function, especially if you're using older 8-bit material. The only downside of the plugin is the high price. See the website for current prices. If you're interested in getting DEHANCER, you can get 10% off by following the description below.